Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is chapter number 11 of my PHP basic course, and today I'm going to go through with you how we can use the UIKit framework so that we can draw a beautiful table. Alright, okay, let's get started. Let me switch to Windows. Okay, this is where we left off last lecture. Okay, so we are going to draw a table. Okay, this is the HTML tag. Alright, so let's draw a simple table, very simple one. Probably this one is a name, student ID first. Okay, probably this is name. Okay, maybe this is class, and the last one will be some action. Okay, we are going to do the CRUD project. Remember that I told you last few chapters. Okay, so this is a skeleton kind of table, so maybe we should add some value. For now, I'm not going to have any database access yet. Okay, I'm going to do some fix data so that I can show you how to use UIKit. Okay, so I'm trying to draw a table. Okay, draw a table with some basic data. Okay, class maybe 1B example. Okay, so what is the action column that we'll have inside here? So we are going to draw a icon. Draw an icon. Okay, this is the icon. Later I will explain what is this. Icon pencil maybe. Okay, this is an edit kind of icon. Right? Maybe we okay. This is actually we are going to use this framework, UIKit framework, to draw a simple icon over here. So every UIKit class will start with UK. Okay, it is a syntax of the framework. So I'm drawing icon over here, and drawing a pencil. Okay, so how do I get all this icon, pencil, and all those things? So you come to the home page for UIKit, right? So getuikit.com. Okay, so you scroll down and you see UIKit number 2, version 2, right? Remember that we are not using version 3, we are using version 2. Okay, you click core. Okay, so you scroll down and you see an icon, right? So click icon and it will have a lot icon. Okay, so we scroll down and we see the pencil. This is the icon. Okay, this is pencil. So it has not given the full class name, because the part that before the pencil is fixed. Okay, UK dash icon dash is fixed no matter what icon you use. Okay, so you have to put UK dash icon dash then plus what is the name of the icon. Like paintbrush, you use paintbrush. Okay, your object ungroup. Okay, so this is how to use the icon. Of course, before that you have to include these two lines of things. Okay, 2 lines of CSS. So you have to include the CSS especially. Okay, all right. So let us see how does it look inside the browser. Oh, sorry. I started the wrong browser. Okay, let's Okay, let's refresh this site. Okay, see, this is the icon, right? So the icon has been showing, but the table is not, it's not the style that you want. Okay, so we will change it a little bit, and you will see how effective this framework is. Okay, before that, we need to add some margin at top of the page, yeah, so that it will look much better. Okay, so maybe I will make it align a little bit better. Okay, alright, it's much better, right? So I will format the table according to UK table class, and I want to make it a small one. I don't want a large table. Okay, for the title of the table, the header of the table, I want to make the font smaller and also bold. Okay, bold. But for the data, I just want to make the text smaller. I don't want to make it, bold as well, right? Okay. So you can refresh it again, and you will see how it looks, right? This is much better, right? Okay. All right. Let's see. Oh, I think I haven't added the margin yet. Maybe we can use container. All right, container, and we can add another div. Okay. Okay, we can add another div, and we try to set the top margin. Okay. Okay, refresh it. Okay, just click refresh, and it's look much better now. So there is a margin, for the both side, and then there is some margin at the top, so that you won't look so awkward. Okay, so it looks much better now. Okay, so what we want to do now, maybe I think that should be all for the table, right? So for the table, of course, the data I will come in later. Okay, maybe I will make another row. Okay, another row. Let's say so 2. Maybe who is that? Example, same class. Okay, so there's an I over here. Okay, so you have 2 sets of data. Okay, let's refresh, and you can see 2 records. And what if we want to have a hover over effect? Okay, let's say this one. Okay, UK table hover, right? Okay, let's refresh it, and now you can see the effect. Okay, so you can now have a hover over. What about maybe I want to add some tooltips over here when you move it, because it's a pencil, and some people might not be aware of what a pencil is for actually, right? So you can actually put some tooltips to the icon, right? To the icon. So it's over here. All right. So it's called UK data tooltip equals. Okay, this is a syntax. You just have to memorize it. Okay, I think that is like that. Maybe this is an edit. Okay, I'm not too sure whether this is correct or not. Never mind. We come here and try first. See, this is wrong. This is incorrect. So how does these tooltips looks like? Let me check. Okay, according to the documentation over here, so actually there is no title. The title is the individual. individual text. Okay, so you don't have actually to show anything at the back. Right, this is actually an option or settings of the tooltips. So we can just put something like this. Probably this one no need. All right, we don't need this one. Actually, this one also no need. Okay, so what we need over here is title, edit, record. Maybe. Okay, save it and we try to refresh it and see whether it's a tooltip. Oh, still don't have. Very funny. Okay, actually we have to add 2 more files into the program. We so call it program. Alright, so one is the style sheet. Okay, style sheet. This is the files that we are pointing to. Okay, CSS dash component dash tooltip, and also the JavaScript file. Okay, these 2 files that we have to include before it works. Okay, so right now let's scroll back to the. So this is data UK tooltip, title, edit, record. So this is the correct syntax. Alright, so we refresh it again. Oh, sorry, I think, yeah, I refresh it again and let's look at it. Edit, record. See the tooltip. Alright, so without adding, there's no tooltip. Okay, alright, so the syntax is class UK icon pencil. This is draw the pencil, and data UK tooltip, title, edit, record. Alright, so actually the icon you can change the size. Right, maybe we'll change to a small one. Okay, you refresh it, it's a bit bigger. See, it's a bit bigger. It's look better, right now. Okay, so we change it for this one also. Let's see, UK pencil. Yeah, icon small. So in fact it has many sizes. You can refer to the documentation for the sizes. Okay, refresh it and you get the pencil. See? Alright. Okay, this chapter until here. Alright, if you like my videos, hit the like button, share my video, and subscribe to my channel. Please remember to turn on all notifications. Alright, see you then. Bye bye.